Why use echo before installing new software? I am new to the computing world. While installing ROS Indigo, the first step directs me to use the following code. Why do we use the echo command along with shc in this context? I have seen the use of echo command in other installation processes as well. Note: use of sh command. ROS Indigo installation wiki.
Ordinarily, the function of echo command is to display a string, piece of text, on the console. But this time, ANGT character is added after the echo command, redirecting its output to a text file, /etc/app/sources.list.d/ros-latest.list. So basically, this whole command writes a piece of text to a text file. Now, here comes the tricky part. The string written to the file may be different for each computer. The part $lsb_release_sc is resolved, changed into something else, when the echo command runs. You can open /etc/app/sources.list.d/ros-latest.list in a text editor before and after the command to see the change for yourself. The file might not exist before this command.
Package management and software repositories. Debian-based Linux distributions rely on repositories, databases of application installation packages and upgrade packages, to keep the operating systems updated and also to easily fetch and install new software packages. The location of these repositories are stored in /etc/app/sources.list. However, additional sources, usually unique to specific applications, can be stored in the /etc/app/sources.list.d directory. When the package index update command, apt-get update, is executed, your operating system checks with these package repositories for available packages and registers the available softwares as available to your operating system, which you can go on to install using the traditional apt-get install and lt, package and gt command. An example of one of these software sources is It is important for these sources to reference specific versions of Linux distributions. An example is Trusty, which is the codename for Ubuntu 14.04. You can query your OS, Debian-based, for complete details with lsb_release-a or lsb_release-sc, which means shortened codename. In your question, the part $lsb_release-sc is interpreted and the result from your operating system is printed into the custom source file ros-latest.list, which the command will create upon execution. Command language interpreter. The sh command is the born shell. This is one among several shells, but is considered the old standard and generally one you can be certain exists. It's also common to see bash in many shell scripts. That declaration is specifying the shell to use, as different shells use different syntax. As regards the C flag, quoting, man bash. If the C option is present, then commands are read from string. If there are arguments after the string, they are assigned to the positional parameters, starting with $0. Everything within the is read as a string. You wouldn't need to figure out how to escape various quotation marks or worry about the shell interpreting something the wrong way. TL, drive. The command prints deb http://packages.ros.org/ros/ubuntu$lsb_release-sc main to a custom source file, replacing $lsb_release-sc with the interpreted value.
If you want to start a battle, push 0 to fight.